Hi, and welcome to 1CW Question. I'm your host, Vince V6LK. Today, my really special guest is Glenn Norman. He is the founder of CW Innovations. Whiskey for Yankee Echo Sierra is his call sign. Glenn has been an amateur since the 1970s, and he says he's been practicing CW every day for the last 15 years. I think this guy knows a thing or two. Glenn, what's your one best tip for helping a newbie learn CW?
Thank you, Vince, for that great introduction. One best tip would be to stop doing the things that's making it difficult and start doing the things that make it easy. And what I mean by that is as long as you focus on, by the way, as a beginner, you have to focus on the dits and das. But as soon as you get the pattern of what that is, you are no longer a beginner. You're ready to take off. Start playing those characters at a speed, 30 to 35 word per minute character speed, so that you can hear those characters as a single sound. That'll make it easier. That's the tip. By the way, if you think, well, wait a minute, people on the air are not doing 30 or 35 words per minute. I'm just talking character speed here. But think about Michael Phelps, for instance. Michael Phelps, right? The Olympic swimmer.
Sure.
He can swim really fast. But if he and I jumped in the water to swim, I would be churning the water really hard as I could to do my best, and he would certainly outswim me. But he could swim slowly at my speed. But what would he be doing? He would just be gliding gently. He wouldn't have to be putting out much energy at all. So if you can do something fast, you can do it slow. We have tools that can bring you to that on-air speed.
Glenn, that's great. Well, hey, thank you so much for coming along on the project here. 73.
73. Thank you, Vince.